If you're considering using an Excel template to calculate and track your team's sales and commissions, or if you're already using a tool like that, an Excel template, you want to watch this video. What I'm going to do is walk you through some reasons why most people should stop using Excel templates for their team's commissions and sales tracking and what you can do instead. So this is by no means exhaustive, but I'm going to walk you through 5 signs that you should stop using an Excel template. Number 1 is that you run into roadblocks with things that you want to be able to do with the tool. So there's limitations to the template. For example, maybe you want to be able to add a more complex incentive structure like thresholds for bonuses, but the template won't let you do that. Or you need to be able to add new employees, but you can't figure out how to do that. Well, whatever it is, if you find yourself thinking, man, I really wish I could fill in the blank, well, that's a sign that you're probably not using the right tool. Sign number 2 is that you sometimes find errors or get unexpected results. I'm sure you know this, but when you're dealing with other people's money, as with commissions, you really can't afford to make mistakes. So if you're seeing things like this, that's a sign that you should start thinking about an alternative, like probably today. Number 3 is that you're still spending more than 15 to 30 minutes a week managing and calculating commissions. So if it still feels like it's time-consuming and tedious to keep up with your team's commissions, something isn't right. And if you're using an Excel template to do this, the chances are that the reason is, well, because you're using an Excel template to track and manage your team's commissions. Number 4 is that you find yourself worrying about the reliability, security, or accuracy of the template you're using. Maybe you haven't found an error yet, but you have no idea who built this thing. You're not exactly sure how it works, and you're not sure what you're going to do tomorrow if it stops working. Number 5 is that you're still watching this video. Chances are, if you're still watching this video, this is a problem for you. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into what you can be doing instead that's going to make your life easier and your business better. But first, if you don't mind, let me know in the comments what exactly you were using before. What are you using for your commission tracking and management right now? And maybe how did you come across that? Or what are some problems that you're having with it? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so there's actually a couple of good options out there for doing this other than free Excel templates that you find from some sketchy site online. The first of those is called SaaS. That's Software as a Service. And it's the basically, it's a program that you use on the internet. Chances are you've used one before, even if you weren't familiar with the terminology. So there's several out-of-the-box solutions where you can pay a monthly or annual fee for really high-quality software that's built to help you track and calculate these commissions automatically. And some of these are really powerful, and they have tons of features and offer a decent amount of flexibility even. But the cons are that you're locked into paying to use it every month, and you don't have control over its features or user interface, or its existence for that matter. So if it goes out of business or gets sold to someone else, things may change, and that may not work well for you. So even so, for a lot of people, this can be a really good option. So I'm going to put a link in the description to some of the better options that are out there under the SaaS umbrella. And also, just FYI, I don't have an affiliation with any of these, so I'm not going to get paid if you click the link. But if you find it helpful, then you can check those out. The second option to consider is a custom spreadsheet solution. So instead of using a pre-built generic template, you can actually either build your own spreadsheet, or you can work with a professional who can consult with you and build a tool for you that does exactly what you need. The nice thing about this is you have full control over it. You own it, and you're not going to get bogged down with all of these features that you're never going to use because it was literally created for you. And last but not least, you're not locking yourself into any kind of monthly or annual fees. So here at CES, we actually do a lot of custom commission solutions for our clients where we provide top-notch consulting, solution engineering, and implementation on these types of systems. So if you want to discuss your unique needs and what we have to offer, there's a link in the description for that too. But if you want to take a stab at doing this yourself, maybe you know your way around Excel some, you can actually check out the sales and commission playlist on our channel. And in that playlist, I run through a bunch of tips and tricks for building your own commission spreadsheet. So check that out. And as always, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you want to keep seeing content like this. So thanks so much. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful or if there's another video that you'd like to see me cover. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.